Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you're watching ENK Learning Hub. Let's start solving today's question. Today's question is, show the difference between largest weight and smallest weight from patients with last name Meroni. So actually, this can be solved in two different ways. One, you might guess this. Like if you have seen my last videos, you might guess the approach that it could be group weight. And even this can be solved by using another approach called CTE, Common Table Expression. So let me explain you that also today, okay? So first, as we know how to solve it with the group by, so let's try this. So select from, so as we need the data of Meroni, right? Meroni maximum weight and and minimum weight of Meroni we require. So that is the reason I am grouping them based on the last name called Meroni. Last name based on last name I am grouping, and then I need to extract only of Meroni data, right? So group by. So after grouping, if we want to apply some condition, so what we can do? So we must use having, right? Having. So first select from patients table we are selecting group by based on last name as we are expecting the last name, right? Last name Meroni. So having last name is equals to Meroni. Because we are not supposed to we just need the data of Meroni, right? So max of weight minus min of weight. So this is one of the one query. This is one. So let's check it first. Yes, we got correct answer. Now the second approach could be, so here I said you that CTE, we can use CTE. So what is CTE? CTE means common table expression. So what is the main purpose of common table expression is that if we can use that that particular query as a table in many uh, if we can use anywhere in our big query, okay? Because generally we will not have only one query, right? So we can use anywhere in our code, anywhere in our big SQL queries, number of queries, okay? So how does it goes with CTE as here we can write our required query, okay? So here even here we need not we can use even write any name, okay? Meroni, let's say Meroni, okay? So now what I am doing, I am just in from our admissions table. One second, let's move on to the question first. This is the weight Meroni as. So here I just need to write the data for Meroni. So let's say select star. Let's say I am selecting all the columns from patients table, where last name is equals to Meroni. So here in my Meroni CTE, let's type it in this way so that it will be very easy for you. So in my Meroni CTE, I have only information about the patients who have last name as Meroni. So this is the only information which is there in this CTE. Okay. So now what I am doing is I am having another query. Select max of weight minus min of weight from Meroni CTE, from Meroni CTE. So here what happening is, like, this is on one of my table. This is my one of the temporary table which I can use. I can reuse it anywhere in my codes. I can reuse it a number of times. So CTE makes us reusability. It's providing us reusability. Okay. So that's the reason I am using CTE here. So let's check it. Yes, we got correct answer. So let's move on to next question. So what they are asking, show all of the days of the month 1 to 31 and how many admission dates occurred on the day, sort by the day with most admissions to least admissions. So as usual, select from order by, and then group by. We need to use group by and then order by. Why I am using group by? Because I just need all the data for every day of the month, every day of the month. So let's say January had 31 days and then February had 29 days, whatever it could be. So if I take one day of the particular month, I should have how many number of admissions in that particular day. If let's say first of every month. So total I should add for every month of total number of admissions happen in that particular first month of the first day of the month. I will add them and I will keep there. So I just need to know that. So from admissions table, So what I am selecting, and then group by day. So day of admissions date, day of admissions date. So that I can, if let's say in January 1st, there were 20 admissions. In February, like let's say for simplicity sake, for every in the first day of every month, let's say 30 admissions were happened. So 30 admissions were happened. So what are the total number of admissions happened in the particular year? So that is 12 into 30, right? So it would be 360. In that way, I just need to know how many admissions happening first day of every month. So what should we do? I should group by. So in the same way, I need to know for every day, So that is the reason I am grouping based on day. I am grouping based on day. So now I need day of admissions date, comma, count star as count, let's say, and then order by. So what they are asking, most admissions to least admissions. So based on count, discerning. So let's check it. So our query is correct. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.